Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Dogecoin update today. Now I feel like there's a little bit of a relief coming up with Dogecoin, but before that I do have this 1000 sats call that I give today, which is 20% reward that can actually happen. And the stop losses are mentioned, the buying price is also mentioned, and the selling price is also mentioned. Well, it's a little bit of a pattern on the 1 hour time frame with sats, 1000 sats. So we have this little bit of triangle that you're breaking above off, and you can see that this has made a very clear break to the upside, and it's also doing a pretty nice retest. There's a dragonfly doji, and if we take this top to the bottom of that triangle, it actually takes it up to that particular price target. So I think it's a good try, and the stop loss is going to be even less than 2%. So you're risking less than 2%. You can give it a try, give it a go. Let's see if we're lucky enough. And the thing is, Dogecoin here had broken below this particular pattern previously, but one thing that happened with Dogecoin is that there was just a very big harsh break to the downside, and we never saw a break retest to go down. So maybe, just maybe, we have a chance to see Dogecoin moving back up to 0.4 one more time, maybe even push to 0.42, and if you might get rejected from here and then actually fall down, because that's one thing that I'm noticing the market is trying to do. A lot of altcoins here are breaking, and they have this very small tiny 4-hour time frame pattern. And even if you look at Dogecoin right now, it has actually broken above this little bit of a triangle. And if we take that like that, then maybe perhaps Doge is looking for what? If you take the top to bottom, that can actually be up to right there, that particular trend line, as I told you. So if it does actually push up here, I would actually say that's a retest and maybe get rejected and then go back to the downside. So Floki has it as well. If I show you Floki, a lot of these meme coin are printing very similar patterns. I'm just showing you around so that we can get our concepts clear. Even Bitcoin is breaking out. So you can see that Floki here has made some few rejections here, so that's a resistance line, and finally it actually got broken out of that particular trend line, and it does look like even Floki is interested to push a little bit higher to go back up to 21348. So yes, meme coin can actually do 15 to 20% of a small relief, and that actually is money. Okay, even that relief rally is going to be money on your side. So that's pretty cool to know. And that's all for the video update on Doge. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.